Peace and blessings. Welcome to Dominus Mentality. My name is Sharon, and on tonight I want to talk about unity. Unity is very, very important, my brothers and sisters. I'm pretty sure many of you may have heard the saying that many hands make light work. Some of you may have heard the saying that it's not what you know, but it's who you know. Pretty sure you also heard the saying that there is power in numbers. So I say all these things to say that unity is powerful. Unity is important. And throughout history, many of us has been divided by many different things. A lot of time, greed and lust can cause us to be divided. The way we've been programmed, the way we've been taught causes us to be divided. Even at times, religion and different beliefs and different perceptions and even opinions can cause people to be divided. I recommend that we unify. And the things that bring unity, a lot of times, is having a common goal. When we have the same goal, it helps us unify so that we can accomplish the goal together. Another thing that causes people to unify is having the same enemy. A lot of times when we have the same enemy, the same problem, we can come together to attack that problem, to fix that problem. So these are the things that join unity. And again, having the same belief system. When we have the same belief, a lot of times having the same belief can unify a person. So my brothers and sisters, in these times of difficulty, these times of struggle, these times with so much things going on, it's very important that we unify. It's very important that we come together against the common enemy, that we come together with the same belief, the same goal, so that we can grow, so that we can experience increase as a culture, as a community, as a people. It's important that we unify. It's so important that we unify. And there's many people who is talking this message that I'm talking. Different people talking, we need to come together. We need to come together. Different people are coming together for different reasons. And again, from different goals, trying to accomplish different things. And, they're preaching and teaching this. Let's unify. Me coming from a biblical perspective, those who are familiar with the Bible in the book of Acts, that's the beginning of the church age, the book of Acts. So when you read the book of Acts, you find that the believers, they come together. And when they come together, they sell their homes, they all give what they have so they can all have together. They became a community. And in those times, believers was being crucified and persecuted and punished and put in prison and put to death because of their belief. So they found that they had to unify so they can support one another. And what happened is that because they unified, they came together under prayer, they broke bread together, they ate food together. The Spirit of God was upon them mightily. And God moved through them, God protected them, and God made sure they were safe. So unity is important. There's so many families divided today for many different reasons, but just imagine if the family stayed together. Imagine if the family all put in together to make things happen. A lot of us today, we want to own this, I own that, I own this, and I own that. But sometimes if we come together, it's a lot cheaper to get things done. And it's a lot easier to get things done because, once again, everyone is contributing. So it eliminates some of the stress and some of the pressure that you may have trying to do things on your own. And again, with these end times and with so much things going on as far as even the government and as far as society and as far as the elite and things of that nature, there's so many plans and there's so many things that they are trying to accomplish, and it doesn't include us. There's so many things people are trying to accomplish, and it doesn't include us. So we got to unify. We need to come together, common goal, common belief, understand there's a common enemy, and we need to come together. Let's seek the Most High God in prayer. Let's ask God for direction. Let's make sure we unify and we do what it is that God will have us to do. But once again, families, it's holiday time. Let's come together in love. Let's not fight. Let's not bring up past experiences that may hurt somebody or offend somebody. Let's be strong enough to apologize to whoever we may have offended. Let's show love in these holidays. Let's show real, genuine love to one another. And let's also come together and see what we can do together so that we can grow, so that they can be increased, so that we can prosper. So let's come together. Let's work together. Let's accomplish more. Let's do more. Let's make moves to make a difference. And again, we can get so much done together. So again, let's unify, common goal, same belief, and let's make some things happen. Again, let's leave that legacy, let's leave that inheritance for our children. It's very, very important. And again, I believe that we are better together. I believe that we can accomplish more and we can go further together. I do thank God for all those who do share knowledge and share wisdom and share the word and just not afraid to give. Not afraid to give. A lot of people are afraid to give knowledge and wisdom. Some people don't want to see others do better than them. But in unifying, another important thing when it comes to unity is, understanding. I like to use sports as a good example. For a sports team to win, let's say if we take basketball, for example, it's important that everyone knows their position. The point guard has his position, the shooting guard, the small forward, the power forward, the center. You got to know your position. And if everyone plays their position, the team have a greater chance of winning. Same with football. The quarterback has his job. The blockers have their job. The running back, the receiver has their job. When everyone do their job, they get further. They go farther. But when you're competing, when you got the running back trying to be the receiver or the lineman hating because the quarterback is getting more attention than them, and if you get division like that and hate like that and jealousy like that, the team falls, the team fails, the team doesn't excel because people are not understanding their position. And even with entertainment, just friends, family in general, a lot of people separate because sometimes people become jealous and envy of the other person. My thing is just know your position, play your position, be the best you. And it's okay if it appears like someone outshine you, or it appears that other people may get more, let's say, applause or recognition. Don't let that stop you from doing your job and accomplishing your goals. So it's important that there's knowledge, wisdom, and understanding when it comes to unity, because division happens when there's lack of understanding, when there's a lack of communication. So let's communicate, let's be real, let's be honest, let's work together, let's understand our position, understand what it is we need to do. And even with coming together, you may have more than the next man, but that don't mean that the next man can't help, or the next sister can't help. Bring what you can bring to the table. Use what you can use. Another thing I like to use is, let's say for an example, if I wanted to open up a restaurant business and I got the money for it, but I need the cook, I need the chef, I need that happy person in the front welcoming the customers. So I need a team. And I need everyone to play their position for the business to work. That's how businesses and corporations grow and prosper, because they have the right team, the right people. So I say all this to say, my brothers and sisters, let's unify, let's come together, let's do more, let's accomplish more, let's prosper, let's do it. Again, a lot of people talking unity, but it's important that we take action. And again, common goal is what starts. Let's get this goal. What you trying to do? Let's come together and let's get some things done. Let's execute. If you like what you heard, please hit the like button. Please share this with others. God bless you. Change your thinking. Change your life. Change your mentality. Change your reality. And let's have a dominance mentality. Again, thank you for viewing. God bless you all. Peace and blessings.